Good morning, everyone. My name is Nikhil Srivastava. I'm the partner at ZAYNIK Properties, and today we'll be talking about how data is playing an important role in real estate industries. As we all know, that data is very critical for any businesses, and today we'll be focusing on how data is helping the real estate industries and impacting the real estate industry. So let's first talking about the information system, which we call it geographic information system. So the real estate companies nowadays can capture, store, and visually display data, um, location data that make property hunting accessible and more easy for the customers. With data analytics and machine learning or algorithm, which will not go into a technical thing, but with the help of algorithms, machine learning algorithm, we can quickly access the profitability of the location based on the rating, traffic, what is the rental income of that particular location, what was the ROI in last couple of years or a decade, and so many data points where we can give all this information to the customer, and that will help them in understanding the location better. Second is uh, predicting the value of the property, or the what how potential is that particular property. For that, data is very important. Whenever anybody is investing in a property purchase, they know that reliable data is very important. So understanding the financial and market data, and when we combine all this data with the local data, when which developers can give it to you when you're intending to buy the property, we can figure it out, the potential of the properties. What is the current prices going on, what was the prices a couple of years ago, what is per square feet area, what are the opportunities are coming in that particular location. That will help us, uh, the real estate industry, in predicting how potential that particular property would be in the future. Um, Second is, uh, as we know that it is not easy for any real estate brokerage firm, for example, to get the leads, or to get the customers who can buy. It is very important because customers don't want to waste their time and going to that kind of agent or companies who doesn't know what to do. So it is very important, or I mean to say, they don't they are not very clear about the industry. So it is very important uh, that we should predict the customer behavior, and for that, data is very important. By analyzing data, like for example, um, loan amount, what is the equity, what is the age of the property, for how many years the previous owner were living in that particular location. So we can analyze, and we can predict that, okay, customer has lived in this property for a couple of years now. I think this is in next 1 or 2 years he's gonna or she gonna sell that property. So the companies can plan accordingly. They also know what was the mortgage payment going on in the market, what is the home equity, the current equity value of the property, what is the age of the property. So those data point can also help the company in understanding, when they're talking to the customer, whether that particular property is suitable for that particular customer or not, because they know that this is going to be the average mortgage cost for this particular property. This is the exact cost of the property. Yeah, so that helps. Um, Second is uh, search. I think nowadays customers are going on the internet and just Google it. you know. Uh, so, and when they come to the real estate companies, they already have made their mind. They already have some kind of knowledge about the neighborhood. So that is where also, but they don't know because they get data from the Google. It's a vague data. So I think when the customer's coming to you and meeting you, it is very important that you give them the exact information. And now here the big data plays an important role. So big data allows realtors and customers to create advanced search, such as location, neighborhood, what is the the location, uh, statistic, like crime rate, how far is the school, shopping center, restaurants. There's so many things which data can provide you. So I think when somebody is coming for a real estate company, I recommend that real estate company should be ready with all this data, because they know this is going to be their project or this is going to be the property they're working on it, and they should have all the information that which school are, how long, how far is that particular school, what are the restaurants nearby, how far is the shopping centers, clinic, and so many other information or data point. So when customer comes to you, you already have the knowledge, you already prepared with everything. So that will help you in selling your, in selling your product for the customer. Uh, Other thing is, which we are not getting into it because this is not um, applicable for the brokerage firm, but nowadays most of uh, the government who are building houses and all, they are also using um, some data modeling where they are planning to understand uh, how much the energy consumption, maintenance cost for that particular building or the location, and that helps in designing future infrastructures or future decisions. So that is how I think this is useful in when the governments or the big builders are making a townships kind of thing for the customers. Um, Apart from that, um, uh, the other thing I can say that uh, we call it competitor analysis, and that helps the real estate companies to have an edge with their competitors. Through big data, they can get insight into competitors' uh, services and product, what kind of sales and marketing tactic they are using, um, what are the numbers in last couple of years, and that data will help you if you have a team who can analyze the data. That helps you in getting an edge because you will be well prepared. You know what your competitors are doing, so you would always want to be one step ahead. So all these are good. So what I'm trying to say is that for any real estate companies or brokerage firm, it is advisable to hire someone who has a good experience in data analytics, who understand about the data, who know how to manage the data. So it is a good investment in terms of resources in your company. So um, because that person or that team, the data analytics team, will help you in going places, because that is how you can edge from your competitors, and you can be more efficient when it comes to your product and services. For any information regarding this topic, or if you're looking to buy a property in Dubai, do contact us. Our website is www.zaynik.com, and you can email us at info@zaynik.com, or you can always call us at +971 58568 8246. Thank you, everyone, and you all have a great week ahead. Take care.